Welcome aboard. Welcome to BluO Penthouse in Gurgaon, which has its own private garden area for a perfect sundowner with your friends and family. Coziest, comfiest, extremely aesthetic area which has a lot of books, magazines, so that you can sit on that comfortable couch or click aesthetic pictures with cool lighting around. Attached with a perfect kitchen that's fully loaded, you also get place to munch on different things while you're having those spicy conversations. This is my favorite nook where we sit, talk, eat and gossip. Catching up with friends on the perfect bed with a sip of coffee is exactly what this place would give you. Whether you're with a friend or with your partner, this place is going to make you feel at home. If you're also looking for a space to hang out, feel luxurious without burning a hole in your pocket, this is where you need to be. Now it's time for some fun. After all the fun, so we wore the robes that the property gave us and went to their outdoor shower area with a private bathtub. This place is so aesthetic and makes you look and feel extremely rich, exactly what any girl wants to feel, right?